Johnny from Pearland has a question about a back door.
Yeah, Tom, it's a combination of brick and a wood veneer, and it's causing trouble. All right, so Johnny writes, the slab where my back door sits is about an inch out of level, and I get water in the house along the jamb, causing damage to the studs. Since buying the house in 1986, I've replaced the door twice, and I want to repair the studs and find a door that's more rot resistant. So, Tom, Johnny wants your advice.
My advice is you have to fix the slope of the concrete. If it's sloping back, I don't care what door you're going to get. It's going to get in the walls. It's going to rot the sill plate. It's going to rot the studs, the king studs, and the cripples on the sides of the doors. It's just going to make a mess. You can get a fiberglass door,
Sure.
and you can soak it in water all day long. But what about everything behind the walls? If the water's going back towards it, you got to fix that. How are you going to fix it? I don't know if it's separate, if it's part of the slab. Do you need to put a coating on there, get it a little slope away? You've got to stop the problem. The door, of course, will have to be replaced.
Right.
So a fiberglass door would be great, or some other kind of door. You can go to Door Clearance Center and pick out a really super duper back door. But you've got to fix this problem.
But so who would fix that? Would that be a...
I don't know what the problem is yet. If it's a detached piece of concrete, Concrete Raising Corporation.
Okay.
They could move that whole thing around.
Okay.
If it's where they can't move it, somebody would have to jackhammer it out and re-pour a new one or rethink that whole stoop coming out of the patio. I don't have enough information on that.
Okay.
But I will tell you, a door is not the problem. The way the water is coming into the house is the problem. But as far as your question about the door, a fiberglass door, it could be stained, it could be painted, would be the perfect door if it's going to be soaking wet all the time. But it's not going to help you with the studs and everything else in the wall.
Okay. You got a question? We can help you out just like that. Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.